Okay, Tim, are you ready?
Yeah, Dad, we want to listen to the speakers.
Prepare to be amazed. I've got 500 watts running through this bad boy.
500 watts? Is it safe for us to be sitting here?
It's as safe as any other job I've done.
Okay, boys, let's go.
Hey, come back here. I mean it, sit down here. All right, Ms. Negativity. Prepare yourself for a lovely Sunday afternoon at the Metropolitan Opera in beautiful surround sound. I'll adjust acoustic level to concert hall.
Oh, that's wonderful, Tim. But turn it down.
Trying, damn it. It's stuck.